got this York unit. It was tripping intermittently on high pressure. There obviously was a spade connector there that looked like these. I don't know where I dropped it to, but when I wiggled the wiring, once it started back up, this fell right out. So there's a lot of strain on this wire where it's going. I'm going to pull some extra out of here and run it along with the line and over. And I'm going to put these shrink wrap connectors on it. I wish I had reds. This is a 3-to-1 shrink ratio. So normally it won't bite down on the wire, but what I'm going to have to do is once I get the wire stripped where I want it, and I'm going to fold it in half so it fits the blue connector, it fills it enough, I'm going to wrap electrical tape around the wire to build up the thickness so the shrink wrap will squeeze down on it to hopefully provide some strain relief. And I'm going to bring it, loop it back around and cable tie it to itself and up the piping. So I got my Teflon tape wrapped around, wire doubled up. Make sure we get all the strands in there. Crimp it down, tug it. And there's your finished product. Some strain relief on there, and hopefully that holds up a little better. I guess time will tell.